Hello, and I hope you're all doing great today. I haven't uploaded a video for the past week because I've been busy working on a few things. I wanted to take some time to focus on trying to build up my creativity more, which is something I wanted to talk about today in this video. I don't want my drawing to be a chore. I don't want it to be like a 9-to-5 job. When I'm working all day and I come home, drawing for me, I want it to be something that's relaxing. And sure, there are times that we need to improve at our drawing. We need to practice a lot and put a lot of work into it to get better. And some people have talent and they don't have to put as much time into drawing. But let's set that aside and just talk about finding creativity and finding motivation. Now, when I'm doing drawing and I do it every single day and it's the same thing over and over and over, if I'm trying to learn how to draw a face and I'm drawing a face at the same angle over and over and over again to learn how to do that, I tend to lose my creativity. And when I take the time to just relax, pick any random pen I have or pencil or anything, and I just focus on being creative and trying different art styles, drawing different subjects, I feel more relaxed and I can, let ideas come to my mind, and I'm not worried as much about making small mistakes, because I notice that when I'm more relaxed with my drawing, anytime I do make a small mistake, it's not really a mistake. It's more of a improvised accident that I build upon. If I make a line and a location that I didn't quite intend, I build upon that. I add to it and I make more to the drawing that I wouldn't have originally made in the drawing if I was focusing on perfection. I want to focus more on creativity. The world has a lot of art that is very perfected, and although I do want to go the route of doing realism and doing realistic drawings, for this moment and in the upcoming months, I want to work on being more creative, doing a lot more doodling and just taking whatever comes to my mind and just trying to put it on the paper and not being so worried about whether proportions are perfect or the anatomy is perfect. I just want to focus on having fun, relaxing a bit, getting things off my mind, and just enjoying the process of drawing. When it comes to creativity and finding that creativity, what I like to do is to get out some. I'll watch different movies, I'll spend some time listening to music, or I'll just take a break from drawing for a day. I'll still practice for my 30 minutes, but I'll take a break as in I won't spend hours drawing nonstop, and I won't spend a whole bunch of time every single day focusing so much on trying to make my drawing perfect. I'll take a day every now and then, maybe once a week or every couple of weeks, to where I spend an entire day of just relaxing, listening to music, being inspired by several different movies, and spending some time to just sit down and think about things from my past, some ideas and goals that I have in the future that I plan on trying to achieve. And with that, I'm able to relax a lot more, and then I have more ideas come to my mind, and then I think about some places that I want to go, maybe some places I want to travel. And then when I think about different places I like to travel, I think of there's other places that are in the world, and then it reminds me of things in history, and then I think about different movies from that time, and then my creativity just really branches out from there. Then I have more ideas. I also try to make sure that I have a good diet, make sure that I'm sleeping properly, and I like to wake up every morning at the same time. I find that waking up every morning at the same time is more important than going to bed at the same time, because once you get into a routine, I find it a lot easier to be more creative, because then I'm not worried about all the hours that I'm wasting, and I don't really get stressed about thinking that today I didn't do as much drawing and then tomorrow I have to do more. To whereas if I set a schedule and I wake up every day, my day is set. I wake up in the morning, I eat a big breakfast, and I open my blinds and let the sun come in, and I spend some time just sitting there and thinking about things. And once I have a few ideas come to my mind and I've had my meal and I feel better and I'm well rested, then I can be much more creative than if I have a lack of sleep, a bad diet, and I'm full of stress trying to push myself to improve. The improvement will come, but it won't always be there if you're pushing yourself beyond the point of no return. Your mind is just like a muscle. You don't want to overwork it. You want to work it hard, but you want to give your mind some time to rest and collect itself so it can be more creative. It's more important to just start than to waste time fearing failure. So whatever you're doing, keep trying and never give up. Just go out there and start creating.